Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data roaming on your iPhone. Before you travel, it's important to understand what data roaming means and how it can affect your bill. Always ensure your iPhone software is up to date for optimal performance. Also, take a moment to review your current cellular plan for any international roaming packages or specific rates. This preparation can save you both time and money. Now, let's get into the steps to enable data roaming on your device. First, open the Settings application on your iPhone. From there, you'll want to find and tap on cellular or mobile data, depending on your region. Once inside, look for cellular data options and tap it. This will lead you to the specific settings where you can manage your roaming preferences. Once you're in cellular data options, you'll see a toggle for data roaming. Simply switch this to the on position to activate it. To help manage your data consumption, consider enabling low data mode, which can significantly reduce background data usage. It's also a good practice to regularly check your data usage through your carrier's app or website to prevent any surprising charges. To keep your costs down while roaming, there are a few smart strategies. Many carriers offer international roaming packages that provide a set amount of data for a fixed price, often a much better value. Always connect to Wi-Fi whenever it's available, as this uses no cellular data. Additionally, turn off automatic app updates and background app refresh in your settings to conserve data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.